Yeah. Alright. Me for wheeling. Going to my favorite spot. It's called Wailua Golf Course. Marine Camp. Also known as Marine Camp in Kauai. Today is gonna be my first day. Stay overnight. And then tomorrow night as well. Hopefully Dexter will show up. A fishing partner. I asked his wife to fish with me, but the boy no can stay overnight. It's understandable. I was hoping he'll show up later on this afternoon. I'm here to catch bait since the tilapia are not biting and the stupid monk seal is chasing the tilapia on the river, which is ridiculous. So I decided to come down here straight to my fishing ground, my favorite spot. Hopefully tonight I'll have some strike. Hoping. So it's right there. Before I go into the sand, I'm gonna set my 4-wheel. I'm almost there. I'm gonna turn right. This is the racetrack, by the way. See that? This is the only racetrack here in Kauai. Motorbike. People over there are camping, so yeah. I think I've seen them before. Alright. Oh, good. Stay right there. So I'm gonna put my 4-wheel over here. This is where we're at. Somebody's over there too, I don't know. So see that car over there. Hopefully no more tweakers tonight. Fuck us up. Fuck us our trip. But yeah, oh good. Anyway, this is where I put my 4-wheel. See this right here. Put them in neutral. Yeah. Apply some brakes. Take this out. That's what I call drop right there. Yeah. I don't know. So there we go. 4-wheel it is, Dennis. Okay. Yada. Is it 4-wheel on? Oh, I guess not. Hanaho? Sometimes the bugger really gets stuck. Okay. Yeah. That should be it. Is it? Nope. No light came up. Let's see. Right. All right there. I stay in 4-wheel. You see that? Let's do it. Aloha. Oh yes. That's where we're going. Yeah, beautiful, yeah. Alrighty then. Hopefully we don't get stuck today. Yeah. Boop boop. If we get stuck then hopefully somebody will come. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby. This is where we stay. Alrighty then. Time to fish. Aloha.